Hi, this is my first try of Microsoft HoloLens. So as you can see that the holograms are just out there. So I have built a Unity project. It's a very basic project. Let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna launch a holographic remoting player. So once I launch it, it's telling me an IP address. This IP address has to be entered in Unity, and which is what I'm doing right now. Now I connect it. This is, now you can see it's all black, but now I'm going to play my project. So now you can see that there is a blue cube which is just simply rotating, and it's out there. It's a hologram, and the tracking is pretty well. So now I'll stop the simulation, and I will disconnect the HoloLens from Unity. I am back to the holographic remoting player. This is a bloom gesture. Now I am back to my initial space, and this is actually quite hilarious because we are so used to the terms like desktop and whatnot. So now when it comes to mixed reality, it's called space. One thing that a common mistake most of people do is that both your system and your HoloLens device should be on the same Wi-Fi, so that you can connect Unity and HoloLens together. This is a mistake that I did. I hope you do not. So that's it. And this is what working in a holographic environment is like. So more videos are coming. Thanks.